definitely a pleasure to be part of this first Global Ayurveda Summit in Ishan Ayurvedic College and Research Center, which they have taken an initiative to promote and propagate this knowledge of Ayurveda worldwide. I myself, Dr. Nitin Agarwal, I have been traveling all over the world since 1998. It's been a long journey of 25 years and traveling to more than 50 countries from Europe, Latin America, North America, African countries, and definitely Asia. And talking about Ayurveda, giving lectures on Ayurveda, of course, meeting different people, local people living there, ethnic people living there, and understanding the needs of the medicine and what exactly is required. And in this whole journey, what I could relate and realize and experience is that apart from the traditional systems, what we call the allopathic system of medicine or the conventional system, which is the predominant system of medicine, a lot of people, they feel the need to have some viable alternative. They feel the need where it's something natural, something more related to the lifestyle, more related to the health, with no side effects, with no negative consequences, can be presented to them so that they can maintain the health and their livelihoods. The reason I said that the whole world realizes, especially after this corona pandemic, nobody imagined that in the 21st century world, with so much of technology and everything, that a virus would stop this whole planet, not for days, but for years, for months. And this was like a kind of a root shock for the whole humanity, that even the most developed advanced medical systems could not find the answers that how can we prevent. Businesses were stopped, tourism was stopped, education, schools, everything got shut down. And we were thinking that, oh my God, are we going to live with it? Or are we going to, what is going to happen in 21st century? People used to hear about the pandemics 100 years, 200 years before, where millions of people were dying because of that. No one ever imagined, especially from the medical fraternity, that something similar could happen in 21st century. But it happened, unfortunately. And millions of people died all over the world. And we saw it in our eyes. Our generation saw it through our eyes. And here, what we call as an Ayurveda practitioner, the role of Ayurveda and yoga comes into that. Ayurveda, the science of life. Ayurveda. Ayur means life and Vedas means knowledge. The knowledge of life. This has been talking about it for several thousands of years and even hundreds of years of recorded history, where we have been talking about prevention of the disease. We have been talking about not just treatment, but also the prevention of the disease, as well as the very important third aspect, preservation of health. That means irrespective of the age we are, it does not matter. That's just a chronological age. But if we follow the principles of Ayurveda and yoga, then we still be healthy, and as long as we are on this planet. This is maintenance of the youthfulness. And Ayurveda is the only science in the world which is talking about preservation of youthfulness, not only just about treating the disorders. Yes, treatment, what we all want. We all want something to be treated instantly, immediately. Ayurveda gives that perspective also.